Hi everyone and welcome to your Tech Tip of the Week. In this video, we're going to continue with our theme of the month, which is organized in October, and we're going to discuss different ways that you can move files from folder to folder using Google Drive. So I have my drive open here and I have 3 test documents that I'm going to use as examples for this video. The first example will use document 1, and we're just going to drag and drop the item directly into the folder. So I have my folder here on the left-hand side under Drive, and I'm going to click on the item and drag and drop it right into the test folder. If I go and I click on the folder, I can see that my test document number 1 is right inside my Tech Tip folder. The second option, I'm going to use test document number 2. Now this way, you would click on the item, right-click on it, and choose Move To. And you'll notice your drive will come up and all of the folders that are associated with your drive. Now if I wanted to put it inside of the first Tech Tip folder, I could just click on it and move it to there. But what I want to do is move it to a subfolder inside of this folder. What I would do is click on the little arrow to the right here, find the subfolder, and I can find it by hovering over it. You'll find that sometimes if your titles of your folders are a little bit too long, it'll cut it off. So just hover over it to see the full name, and I'm going to put it right inside this subfolder here, and I'm going to click Move. So now if I go into my subfolder here, I can see that test document number 2 is inside of this subfolder. For the last example, we're going to use test document number 3. Now to get there, we're going to click my drive, find the test document here, and on my keyboard, I'm going to press Shift-Z. What this does is it opens up my drive and I can go ahead and select where I want to put the document. I'm going to actually put this one inside of another subfolder that I created inside of the last folder that I put test document number 2 in. So I'm going to use the arrows to navigate like we did before, find my subfolder, and I can move it here. Now the difference between this process and the last process is it's going to create an alias of this document and put it inside of this subfolder. So it will leave one copy inside of your drive and it'll leave another copy inside of wherever you want to put it. So you'll notice that if I go ahead and I click on this subfolder, I click Add, test document 3 stays there, but if I go inside of that subfolder, the other document is here as well. Now, you want to keep in mind that if you are removing items, you don't want to right-click and remove this from your folder, because what that is going to do is it's going to delete the item from your drive. So if you want to take this item outside of one of these folders, simply click on the item that you want, go up here to the little I, which will view the details, and under Details, just X out of the folder that you want to remove that document from. This way, it will remove it from the subfolder that you put it into, and it'll keep it inside of your Google Drive. So if I go back to my drive, I'll see that test document 3 is still there and has not been deleted. As you can see, there are multiple ways that you can move files throughout your Google Drive. What's great about having all of these options is that you can try each one of them out and see which one works best for you. I hope you liked this tip and that you found it useful. Thank you for joining me for your Tech Tip of the Week. Have a great weekend.